Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Today I'm going to be making my hair. I'm going to be going from this rough hair to neat hair. I made this hair 2 weeks ago and it's already rough, and I need to take it for like at least a month or a month and a half. So this is me. First of all, I'm going to lose this part of the hair. I'm taking it one step at a time. After losing it, I'm going to comb it and make sure that the dead skin under is gone, and then I'm going to line it just like this. That's my mirror by this side, by the way. So after lining it up very well to make sure that the line is at least straight, because I know I'm using a mirror, so I can't be that perfect. So after lining it up, I'm going to try to make a twist. The first thing I'm going to do is first make like a braid. I'll braid it like twice or 3 times, and then I'll make a twist. After doing that, I'm going to put the bead, and then I will not tie it yet, because that tying and fixing the bead always take a lot of time, and I was sitting here for like hours and hours, like it's not easy. So I plaited it, I braided it, and then I started my twists. After the twist, I had to go to the next and the next and the next and the next, not like that now. I was tired, my back was aching, like, you see how stressed I am. This was very early in the morning, like I woke up in the morning and I started doing this thing. I was done in the like close to evening, let's not say evening. So this is the last one. I'm showing you the end of the beads. Like I've not tied it yet. So this is the last one. I am speeding up this part. I wanted you people to see how I twisted it, but then it's taking a lot of time, so I speed it up or sped it up whatever the English is. So after this, I was so happy, and then on to the next agenda again is to tie the beads, and this is how it was looking at the end. Thank you for this interesting video. Thank you for watching. Bye.